So, andito kami sa Willow State Park here in Wisconsin. So, nagbayad kami ng $16 for the entrance. Maraming pumupunta kasi summer na. I've been here 2022 September. I don't know. Willow River State Park Summer Trail Map.
These with signs that say, "Oh, this is Pioneer Trail. This is that trail." Or this might not be any trail at all.
We've been here September 2022. This is the last time.
Last time we were parked much closer to.
But yeah, that's why I can't remember this trail.
Yeah. Well, that's the parking lot's full. That's park at the other lot. Just walk our way down. Have a lot of trails around here. I mean, a few long trails. So, yeah, after we see the falls, we might walk along the river there. We might, maybe we could walk along the Willow River. Yep. Over to the dam, maybe. Try walking over there.
Oh, what is that?
What is what?
Oh,
that's a campsite. So like people just hang their towels and stuff just there, probably.
Yan, pwede mag-camping. Saan? Oh, wow.
Camping here. Do you be interested in that? Camping? See, we're trying to figure this out too. Just look out. Remember this part? The steep trail.
Thank you.
Okay. Go down.
Oh yeah, I remember this one. Yeah. Oh, medyo matarik ang daan. Good luck later. Pataas yan mamaya. Pagbalik. Ngayon pababa kami. Good luck mamaya. Pakyat. Waterfalls ka pa.
But I think it's just brown because you can see the dirt.
Yeah,
down
but
there,
it's clean
But
over
it's
here.
relatively clean. Like there's nothing floating on top. Yeah. Looks nice.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's go.
We should take a selfie again. We take a selfie again.
Last time we were here, we went up the stairs.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it this time.
Whoa. That's crazy. There's a crocodile over there.
There's no crocodiles here. There's no crocodiles here. That's the reverse side of the.
That's the raspberry. It's not ready yet. Selfie? Touching your back. It's your friends. Yes, it's cute. You're scared? Huh?
Because we went all around the place. Okay.
Meron nga pala dito pwede kang mag-camping. May mga camping area. Ayan. May mga number. So, ang crowded ng waterfall. Ayan. Close?
Over by the beach.
Mga camping area. That's cute.
Just keep going this way and we'll be there. Yep, there's bathrooms there. Looks like there's some bathrooms over here, so we have options.
Source,
Why are you
where's our
recording?
parking?
What? Where's our parking? Our parking's right there. That's the entrance station. That's our parking. Do you know where we are right now?
We... I don't know.
We are right here, near the boat launch.
Ah, okay.
We're all the way right here. Yep. So our parking lot's right there, which is right
What? That's far.
here. Oh yeah.
You got a tree. Wow. Yay.
This tree has been through a lot. What it's seen, what it's been through.
Wow. Woo.
I know. I love how it splits. That's really cool. Nature.
I want to hug it.
Yeah, you go ahead and hug it. Go ahead, give it a hug.
More oats to come and be strong. It's the dam area. Wow. What's wrong?
Maybe they found something in the water.
Oh gosh. IVs or bags?
Probably a dead animal.
Ooh. It's the dam from the waterfall. Wow. Wow. Selfie to it.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. See you the next vlog. Bye-bye.